Il-Knisja tal-Iskoċċiżi qed tikkunsidra li tiftaħ żewġ banek tal-ikel ġodda, wieħed lejn in-naħa t'isfel tal-pajjiż u ieħor f'San Pawl il-Baħar. Hekk kif il-banka tal-ikel fil-Belt Valletta qed tara influss dejjem ikbar ta' familji jittalbu għall-ikel.
When we first started, it was 10 to no more than 20 families in a week.
Okay, and has this increased now 3 years later?
Last week it was 86 families.
Okay, so that's
It's usually now somewhere, we've never had more than 100 in a week yet, but it's usually between 80 and 100 now.
Kien b'dan il-mod li l-kap tal-Knisja Skoċċiża f'Malta Kim Hurst tiddeskrivi l-bżonnijiet tal-familji Maltin li huma neqsin mill-ħtiġijiet bażiċi u kif diversi individwi lanqas qegħdin ilaħqu mal-għoli tal-ħajja minħabba li jinsabu fuq il-paga minima.
The rents are going up every few weeks. The rent seems to be increasing and increasing. People are struggling to pay the rents. Their wages are low. The minimum wage in Malta is not enough.
Kim Hurst kienet mistiedna l-intervista fuq il-programm NetLive aktar kmieni din il-ġimgħa, jiżvelati li l-problema tal-faqar tant kibret f'dawn l-aħħar snin.